Hi, in front of me is NUBIA Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, open it. Then hit OK in the pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, just go back. Now go into Tab menu and click on this pen at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down, find Caffeine shortcut. Like that. Hold it and drag it to the top. Then add it to App menu. Go back and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!